Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cooper and I'm a 25-year-old cash budgeter who's saving for the future, specifically an emergency fund and a school fund. And I'm also the owner of Purely Budgets over on Etsy, which you can always find in the description box down below. In today's video, we have our final episode of Mini Monday for the month of October and for the year, because we are going to be launching Mouseketeer Mondays next Monday for the month of November. And we will be playing Disney challenges for the rest of the year and possibly into next year, depending on how far we get and depending on how much you guys really like the series. So today is the final mini Monday forever, for right now, indefinitely. I don't have a date that's going to be coming back, so let's enjoy this time together. We are going to go ahead and bust these challenges out. I have 4 challenges here, 4 from different creators. What I'm going to do is we are just going to play like a normal mini Monday. I did, from last week to this week, you guys are going to notice that there's going to be a drastic change in the amounts that have been saved so far. The reason for that is I sold something on Marketplace, so I was able to put some extra cash into these challenges just to further them along. So we have 4 challenges here. We're going to play this differently. I have a D6 here, and what I'm going to do is, can you guys see that? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to roll a D6, and we are gonna put 2 challenges into, actually, no. I'm switching it up real quick, guys. So let me grab a D8. So this is how I played it last time. I used a D8, wherever it landed on, I put $2. So number 4 is gonna get $2, and I'm gonna play till I no longer have money in hand. I have $50 for the final freebie Friday, number 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So for the final freebie Friday, I have freebie Friday. Mini Monday, for the final mini Monday, I have $50. So we are gonna hopefully do a lot of damage, hopefully complete some challenges. It really just depends on where the dice lands and what gets money, because obviously right now Be the Happy Turtle isn't getting anything. So $6, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 again. I mean, come on, this is just like in number 6. We're not getting anything in number 3 or number 7. So number 3, come on. Let's get something in number 3, number 5. So that's going to be there. There we go, which doesn't do anything because I have my final $10 here. Got number 1. I thought that was a 7. What a way to tease me. I thought that was a number 7. Okay, let me grab my dice tower. Whew. I'm done for today. That's what it is. I have pre-filmed videos all day long. I am done. This is the last video I'm pre-filming for the day. So it is that time of the day where, you know, you just, your mind's going delirious, you know, you're going delirious, things are just not working out for you. Let's go ahead and open this binder up. And I'm gonna put them in there even if they are completed. I'm just gonna put them in here because I have the binder available. I was doing this all week long, but I have my calculator here. This calculator, we're gonna put down, if we've completed challenges, how much we have saved so far. So let's just jump right into it with number 1, which comes from Blake over at WalletWell. We needed 6 and 3, so $9. We definitely got that because we got 3 spicy 5s. So let's go ahead and count. So we got 5, 10, 15. I don't know what's going on with me today. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I did not need $22. I only needed 9. I'm gonna take 2 5s here, and I'm gonna take $1 from the back, and that's what we're going to do. So let's count this. I should have $29, which is what it should save. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So for the first challenge we are completing today, the final mini Monday is going to be $29. I'm just gonna keep this out because I'm gonna need it anyways. Okay, so $29 down. The next one does come from Be the Happy Turtle, which for right now I can't do anything because I only got $2. I'm gonna put this here and we'll come back to this. This will be like the final challenge depending on how much money we've saved elsewhere. Okay, let me just set that one off to the side completely. This next one does come from my Ko-fi shop. It will not come laminated, but they do come as freebies. This one got 2 spicy 5s. It is a pack of 12. They are zodiac signs. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, so $8. We got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So let's take those $2 or 2 5s there. And let me take 2 1s. So let's mark this off. We should have $48 in here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So $48 in here, and we are completed with this challenge. So we are sitting at $77 saved so far. So this next one does come from MSO Budgets. This one needs $14, and we did not get that, but we have extra cash. So let's see. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let me just take this 5 real quick. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And let's complete this one. This one's a hefty challenge. This will have saved us $90, you guys. $90 is crazy for a mini Monday challenge, but I wanted to do a big one and go out with a bang for the final version of our mini Mondays. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $90. Can you guys believe $90 saved in the mini Monday episode? Okay, let's put this one away. Let's add 90 to that. So 167 is what we're at. Let's go into here, which is going to be our final challenge. We need $10. Let's see what we got so far. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $9 left out of the 50. So we really only needed $41 to complete all these challenges. Okay, let's mark this off. This one should have saved us 45. So let's make sure we have $45 in here. So we have 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $45 for the Happy Turtle for Cupcake menu, which is one of the few menus that I have. So we will be definitely seeing more menus in the future. So let's add $45 to this. So plus 45. So $212. Can you guys believe that? Yesterday we completed, I want to say it was $144. So plus 144, $356 I completed in challenges in 2 days with $9 extra. That is absolutely crazy. Crazy work, you guys. I cannot believe that. I'm astonished by that. It's such a great way to end the month of October. And what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to grab my Mouseketeer Mondays binder. So let's grab this. So this is the binder. Let's talk about the final challenges that you guys helped me choose. So real quick, I kind of changed things up in here. So I have my quote here, and then in the back, I have ombre Mickey Mouses with the color scheme of the binder. We have my Purely Stars dashboard, and then we have my Disney dashboard, which I did add Tinkerbell to it and some stars. I felt like it just made it a little bit more cute, elevated it a little bit more. So that is brand new in here. We have the normal Mouseketeer Mondays bookmark, and then we have my challenge folder that holds my next 4 challenges. So the final challenges that we chose in here was this one from Budget with Amanda. It is her Tiana one. It will save us 30. We went ahead and chose the Winifred version of the Sanderson sisters from Blake over at WalletWell. That one will save 70. And then we have Tiana here from Be the Happy Turtle, which I do not have a idea of how much this one's gonna save us. We have a bunch of icons and then we have a $25 bonus here. I might make all the icons $1 so that we can focus on just the dollars and then keep saving for that $25 bonus. And then this last one, I don't have the challenge, so give me 1 second. Okay, so this last one was the last challenge you guys chose, which was the Disney icon challenge from my bundle of 3. This is gonna be the one we're gonna be using. It's gonna be save $3 per icon. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this $9 and we are just gonna put it here in this binder for the use of it. I mean, we can use this next time, so I will add this to whatever amount we are using when we play this, and we will have some extra cash to play. So that is actually it for today's video. We completed our mini Mondays and we are moving on to Mouseketeer Mondays next week. So with that being said, if you guys have watched to this point in the video, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Make sure you turn on all notifications and hit the like and subscribe button. But with that being said, we will see you in the next one.